Hi everyone! First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos and giving me feedback. I really appreciate it. I was reading your comments and some of you mentioned that you find it difficult to land your first job in 3D design. I know how hard it is because I was like you many years ago. Fast forward today, I have a company of 12 employees, so me and my partner go through the hiring process fairly often. That being said, I prepared this video to give you some pointers and to let you know what we do when we are on the lookout for 3D artists. If you haven't already done so, please go now and hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, let me start by stating the obvious. The most important thing before applying for a job is to have a killer portfolio. It's not what school you went into, it's not how good your CV might look, it's not even if you have any previous experience. It's your portfolio that will get you the job. You must invest time to create an outstanding portfolio, and once you have that, let's see what you can do. LinkedIn is a great starting point to look for a job. We as a company use it a lot, and we have hired approximately 20% of our staff through LinkedIn. Go to the jobs menu at the top of the page. Use the search bar and let's say type 3D artist in the United States. A bunch of positions pop up. So take your time to start checking them one by one to see if any of them are a good fit for you. Up here, there are all the filters you need to narrow down your research, like for instance, the experience level or the job type in case you are interested in an internship or a part-time job. I like LinkedIn because you can check for job listings anywhere in the world. And let's see what happens in Italy right now. An advice I could give you here is to check if you have any connections with the companies. To do so, click on the ad you are interested in, and here is the Connections tab. This is, let's say, important because when you do have a connection, apart from applying for the job through the apply button, I would also contact directly the connection I have, saying something like, "Hi Eric, I just bumped into a job opening in the company you're working for. If you wouldn't mind, I would like to share with you my portfolio and CV, and if you think that I'm a good match, I would highly appreciate it if you could spread the word." Believe me, if you have someone to vouch for you, it's way easier for you to get hired, even if someone else has a better portfolio than yours. I have hired 4 of my team members this way. Another team member introduced them to me, so I didn't have to go through reviewing any other portfolios at the time. So, how do you make connections in LinkedIn? Well, that takes time, I guess. My advice would be to first connect with the companies you are interested in. Let's click on this one, for example, and you should follow them. It would be good if you would like their posts and even make a comment so that they start noticing you. Don't make comments on every single post, that's creepy, just the latest ones to show interest in what they are doing. And then check who works in this company and also connect with them and start some friendly chatting. Like, "Hi there, I saw your LinkedIn profile and your renders are awesome, keep up the great work." And once you have established a relationship, then start asking for favors like, "Hey, I admire your work, so I would love if you could review my portfolio and let me know your thoughts. I would love to work for your company at some point, so your input will be invaluable." and so on. Another tip I could give you here is to change your privacy settings so that agents and recruiters are notified that you are looking for a job. Log into your LinkedIn account, click on your avatar and go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and then select Job Seeking Preferences on the left side. Click on Let Recruiters Know You're Open to Opportunities and enable it. If you do that, it's really important that you update your profile with your skills and you upload some of your best renders. If you're located in the US or looking for a job in the US, you should check Glassdoor. As before, we have the search bar and the filters to adjust your research. You can also create a job alert, and this way you don't have to daily log in to see if there are new entries. I really like this site because it gives you insights of the companies that are looking to hire. More specifically, apart from the preview here, you can select the job listing and then go to the company overview to see the size of the company and other basic info. Then go to the rating and the reviews tabs. So it gives you the opportunity to see what other employees say about this company. How is the work-life balance? How is the management? So this will help you decide if this company is the right fit for you. Also, you can check the salaries database. The info you see here is also shared by the employees, and this is really important because you can see what their market value is, and that helps you negotiate your salary. If you are more into the game industry, then you should check the ArtStation website and the jobs menu here. I am more into interior design and not character modeling, so I can't really give you much of an advice here, but there are plenty of listings for you to review and apply. There are some online platforms with project listings. Freelancer and Upwork are, I think, two of the largest job finding services on the internet nowadays. In these sites, companies or individuals outsource projects or part of a project. So this is not a full-time job opportunity, but from time to time I have also bumped into full-time job offerings. And while you're seeking for a full-time job, it's good to test your skills on those sites because you start gaining experience working on real projects with real clients. Moreover, it's good to create a profile here because agencies and companies use sites like Upwork and Freelancer to find, approach and hire 3D artists. Apart from looking for job openings, you can contact directly the companies you would like to work for. Most of the times, when a company is looking to hire, the first thing they will do is to go through their emails and check the portfolios they have received over time, and they have shortlisted them. We also do that as a company. We may have one job offering and have received 3 or 4 good portfolios. We will hire one of them and save the contact details of the other artists for future reference. So, send an email to any company you would like to work for and use their contact form, and if your portfolio is great, even if they are not looking to hire at that specific moment, they will keep it aside and I'm sure they will contact you in their next opening. We live in the era of social media, so try to be active on Instagram and Facebook and follow as many companies as you can there. Nowadays, most companies, when they are looking to hire, they just post the ad in their Insta profiles. And I am talking from personal experience. That's what we also do for the last 2 years, and nowadays that's our only means of advertising a job offering. My advice here is similar to the one I gave you when we were talking about LinkedIn. Know the people, not just the company. Engage with them. And if you're about to approach a company through Instagram, it is really important that your profile looks professional and that you have posted really beautiful renders there. The first thing one will do once you contact them is to check your profile. So you can't have just personal photos there. They won't take the time to scroll down to check where your work is or to check your bio to see if you have a website. When you contact a company through social media, your profile must be updated first and your latest posts must be your best work. I think that's all for this video. I hope that you will find my advice useful and that my suggestions will help you land a job. If you have any extra advice, please leave them in the comment section and I will pin it on top so that we can all help our fellow 3D artists. I will see you all in my next video. Take care till then.